So if you're looking for a good dish for a potluck, a family gathering, or for game day, you'll love this. This is my no chicken buffalo cheese dip. And it's made with no oil, no refined wheat, and no refined sugar. It's super healthy and it really brings the flavor. And today, I'm going to show you how to make your own. All right, so of course, the first thing we're going to do is go over the very healthy ingredients we're going to use to make this no chicken buffalo cheese dip. Now for the base, we're going to use navy beans, which is one of my favorite beans, has a good amount of leucine, but you could use any white bean of your choice. We're going to use some hemp seeds. Again, that's going to really bring the protein. Using these two things is going to put a lot of protein in this dish. Healthy plant protein. Hemp seeds are amazing. They also have omega-3 fats, so I like to work those in the recipes when I can. We're going to use some hot sauce. Now this is some hot sauce that I made at home. I don't have that recipe posted, but you can just buy your favorite hot sauce to use in this dish. We're going to use some jackfruit. You could use oyster mushrooms for this also, but jackfruit is a little more accessible for most people. That's why I decided to go with jackfruit in this recipe. So we're going to use it to replace the chicken. We're going to use some garlic. We're going to use some smoked paprika, some dates, some lemon juice, some nutritional yeast. I have an onion cut up here, a yellow onion, and then some plant milk. Now the plant milk I'm using is walnut milk, but you could use any plant milk to do this recipe. As you can see, as always, very healthy ingredients to make this delicious dip. Let's start putting it together. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is put most of my ingredients into the blender and get them blended really well. Now, I'm not putting the jackfruit and the onions just yet because I don't wanna chop them up too finely. So first we're gonna do the remainder of the ingredients and then we'll add those in one by one and pulse them lightly to mix them in with the rest of the ingredients.
Now, something to consider when choosing a hot sauce is the pepper variety that was used to make it, because different varieties of peppers have different heat levels. For a milder hot sauce, choose a jalapeno-based variety. For a little more heat, you can try cayenne. Now, you can also adjust the heat by using more or less hot sauce, depending on your spice tolerance. If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe below.
All right, so now I've got everything into the blender. I've got it pulsed to the right consistency. Now it's just a matter of getting it into my baking dish in the oven to bake and then taking it out.
So this recipe is available exclusively in my HV Dips and Sauces ebook. That's part of my free bonus package when you pre-order my Make Your Own Cookbook. I'll have a link with the details in the description below.
All right, only one thing left to do, and that's have a taste. For you, of course. That's perfect. That is so good. If you're a fan of dips, particularly cheesy dips, you'll love this. The buffalo flavor comes through. The jackfruit gives it a nice texture and a little more chew. This is a really good dip. You ought to try this. I think you'll like it. Make your own.